Good morning students, I am Ravinder Singh, your math teacher, and you know very well chapter number 9 unity method and exercise 9a is going on. In last lecture question number 1 to question number 7 is completed, and today we will discuss the rest questions of exercise 9a. So firstly see the question number 9. If the weight of 6 sheets of a paper is 162 grams, so how many sheets of the same quality of paper would weigh 13.5 kg? मीन्स ये है इसका कि 6 पेपर शीट्स का वेट जो है वो 162 ग्राम है. सो कितनी नंबर ऑफ शीट्स होंगी जिनका वेट 13.5 kg होगा? सो सी द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. Number of paper sheet, number of paper sheet that weigh, number of paper sheet that weigh 162 grams equals to 6, equals to 6. Clear students? The number of paper sheet that weigh, जिनका weight 162 grams है, वो कितनी है? 6 है. As it is, number of paper sheets that weigh 1 gram. So 6 upon 162 paper sheet. Okay. Now number of paper sheet, number of paper sheet that weigh 13.5 kg, 13.5 kg equals to 6 upon 162 multiply 13.5 multiply 1000. Okay, because 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. Okay, then here this point से point करके 0 ऐड करेंगे और यहाँ पर 0 से 0 कट हो जाएगा. Okay, so 2 3 जा 6 and 2 8 जा 16 and 2 1 जा 2. Clear beta? Now after this 3 4 जा 12 and 3 5 जा 15, 3 2 जा 6 3 7 जा 21, 9 3 जा 27, 9 5 जा and 3 से 3 कट हो जाएगा. So 5 multiply 100 and 500. So पेपर शीट्स कितनी है? 500, जिनका वेट कितना है? 13.5 kg है. Clear student? 500 is the required answer. Clear beta? Now after this see the next question, question number 11. Question number 11 देखेंगे बेटा आप सभी. And question number 11 is very very important for your the exam. So see the question number 11. And question number 11 is, if the thickness of a pill of 16 cardboards is 44 millimeter, so how many cardboards will be there in a pill which is 71.5 centimeter of thick? Clear beta? So see the solution of question number 11. So see, number of cardboards, number of cardboards, number of cardboards in a pill of thickness equals to thickness 44 millimeter equals to 60, equals to 16. कितने हैं वो? 16 है. Now as it is, number of cardboard in a pile of thickness 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter के कितना हो जाएगा? 16 upon 44. 16 upon 44. Now number of cardboards in a pile of thickness, how much? कितनी थिकनेस बोली बेटा आपको उसने? 71.5 सेंटीमीटर इक्वल्स टू 16 upon 44. 71.5 multiplied 10 because 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. 4 5 are 20, carry 2, 4 6 are 24, and 260. So 260 is the required cargo. Clear beta? Everyone clear this question? So after this, see the next question. Question number 30. This question is complete. So question number 30 is 15 men can build a 16.25 meter long wall. 15 जो मैन है वो क्या बना रहे हैं, दीवार बना रहे हैं up to a certain height in one day, एक दिन में. So how many should be employed to build a wall of the same height but length is 26 meter. इस बार क्या हुआ, length change हो गई है. ठीक है बेटा. So see the solution of question number 30. And solution of question number 30 is number of men employed to build the 16.25 meter long wall equals to 15. कितने मैच है वो, 15 है. ठीक है बेटा. So as it is, number of men employed to build the 1 meter long wall. So 1 meter कितने बनाएंगे, 15 upon 16.25. Now number of men employed to build the how much, 26 meter long wall equals to 15 upon 16.25 multiplied 26. So point कट करेंगे बेटा, 0 ऐड करेंगे डबल्स. So 5 2 is 15, 5 2 is 10, and 5 5 is 25. As it is here, 5 2 is 15. Then 5 6 is 35, 5 is 25, 5 5 is 25, 5 2 is 10. Then 5 1 is 5 3 is 5 1 is 5 4 is 13 8 is. So 3 multiply 8 8 is 24. 24 men. 24 men build करेंगे 26 meter long wall. Clear बेटा? Everyone clear this question? Now after this, see the next question. Question number 15. Question number 15. And question number 15 the last question of this exercise. So see the question number 15 carefully. बहुत ध्यान से देखिए बेटा question number 15 को. And question number 15 is the extension in an elastic string varies directly as the weight hung on it. If a weight of 150 grams produce an extension of 2.8 centimeter, so what weight would produce an extension of 19.6 centimeter? 19.6 centimeter. Okay. See the solution of question number 15. Weight that would produce an extension of 2.8 centimeter equals to 150 grams. 150 grams. Clear बेटा? So as it is, weight that would produce an extension of 1 centimeter equals to 150 upon 2.8 grams. Now weight that would produce an extension of how much centimeter? 19.6 centimeter. 9 So you know very well. 70075 is 35, 707 10 gram means 1 kilogram and 50 grams your required answer. 1 kilogram and 50 grams. Everyone clear this question? All of you clear beta? So beta, today work is closed. Have a nice day beta. Thank you.